How you doing? Tammy now tell it and
Johnny.
chill it. My husband. I wanted to show you a quick unboxing from this campaign 11 that's got 3 days, 4 days before it. 3 days actually online. 4 days if you order through me. But I just want to show you a few things that I got. Here, I'll just lay it down here. Thank you, though. So one thing we now are going to have clothes detergent. Can you imagine? Yes. My handsome assistant here is going to open, well, when the package is open, just hand me one out and I'm going to show it to you. Give me the box, honey. Thank you. It is 100% water soluble, which means it will 100% dissolve in your water. Has power enzymes for removing stains. I've used this on one load already, and it done great. Smells awesome. It's by LG Household and Health. It's a good sized box too. I mean, it's bigger than my hand. And it comes with 30 sheets. I guess 15 to a bag. You get 2 large bags in there. It smells so good. And there are sheets that have, can you see the, yep, you can, where it divides. So for a small load, small to medium, you would use 1 sheet. Medium to large, you would use the whole full sheet and not tear it apart. And I had a medium, about a medium size, and I just threw them both in there because I tend to overuse detergent anyway because I'm a germ freak. But, you know, that being said, and my husband's probably behind me shaking his head, yes, she is a germ freak. Hand sanitizer, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. That's me. Constantly saying that. Okay, thank you. My handsome assistant there. What's in this tall white box standing here, honey?
Hold on just a second.
Well, thank you so much. Who needs Vanna White? I have a handsome hubby with a knife.
That's a spray nozzle.
Spray nozzle. Everybody needs a spray nozzle. Wonder what comes with that spray nozzle. What is that? Range hood and kitchen degreaser. Amazing. I don't have prices off the top of my head, but and these are not coming out until I believe campaign 12, and we're in campaign 10 now. This is 10, the main event, and then our next one coming up is campaign 11. And but I do believe the cleaners are actually going to be in 12. I don't have a campaign 12 book in there. So, but I have already opened these, and I wish you could smell these. It kind of smells kind of like a fruit or something. That's what it reminds me of. What about you? Like an orangey.
Apricot.
I ain't crazy about apricots myself, but it smells really good. It doesn't smell anything like those strong cleaners that would take your breath. I mean, you can still, they're probably not good for any kind of cleaner, but let me put on some eyes here because I want to. Strong grease and stain remover. I have not used this yet because I wanted it to be new when I did the unboxing for you. And I can't see all that small writing, but like I said, as soon as they come out, I will leave a link to that for you and let you know. I do know that most of these cleaners and products that LG has are supposed to be as much as they can natural. But I'm not going to say this is 100%, but they usually are. So, but anyway, so if you get this and you get your nozzle with it, they're not expensive at all, not for a high brand cleaner. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what's in the other white box?
I don't know yet.
Let's go ahead and lay this out.
No spray nozzle.
As soon as I use these, I will let you know how they work. I can almost guarantee you. I have heard nothing but good things from the other Avon reps that have used them already.
Multiple purpose cleaner.
Multiple
Orange.
purpose cleaner. Orange. And it is a 16.9 fluid ounce. Let's see what this other one was. Sorry about that.
There you go.
He has better eyes than I do.
16.2.
16.2 for the range cleaner. And this is the multi-purpose cleaner. And I would say with oranges on front, it's going to smell like orange. I think the other one smells like oranges too. Actually. Oh yeah, definitely. Oop, I spilled some. Definitely an orange scent to that.
Yep.
Good thing I had a napkin in here. Hand smells good now. This is my bottle, by the way. Because I am going to try it, and I'll let you know. I don't sell anything to anybody that I haven't tried. As far as the cleaner like that. Some makeups I do because some of them I don't use. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Spray nozzle.
Oh, yep. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what is next in our box?
Don't know.
Fresh Fiji.
Fabric softener.
Like
Freshener.
Refreshener, yeah. Comes like this, completely. I have started to open it and I quit because, like I said, I wanted to do the unbox for you, but it is completely enclosed in a tamper-proof package. I'm gonna have my handsome assistant open this package up for me. Right before I do that, let's see what we can read on here. Spray your clothes anytime for instant freshness. For your clothes, your bags, and your shoes. Up to 48 hours of freshness. Let me see your glasses. They're probably stronger for a second. Anti-static effect and dermatologically, that word, tested. I like that stuff. Right, there's your glasses. Now, sir, if you'll open that for us, please. Meanwhile, while you're doing that, I did get, anybody is needing any,
Is this yours?
yes, still want it scratched up, but yeah, it's mine. I have lots and lots of eyeliners. Not only these, but I have some in stock because I'm not sure we're going to get to do our event down at Glendale Days. Hoping, because we usually do pretty good down at that event, and I love meeting all the people. I pick up new customers and new representatives, so, and we love talking to all the people. And last year, the guy that was next to us, what was it? Popcorn? What was that? His name? Do you remember?
No, I do not.
That popcorn was awesome. It was every flavor you could pretty much imagine, and I had popcorn all day long, both days. Okay. So there's the eyeliner. Now we got this open, and I haven't opened this at all. I haven't even seen it. So it's a little thin. See how thin that is? That's the container. I'm assuming this pops off. Look at that. Look at that.
Don't touch the sprayer.
And I guess it sprays.
No. Spray this.
Well, how nifty is that? Okay, let it air out a minute. Doesn't really have a scent to it. A light, just a very, can you smell it? Like a very light scent, maybe.
No, it smells good. I think it smells good.
Okay, well, I'm not part bear, so I can't smell it. So, haven't tried that either, but I will. Maybe in my husband's boots. What do you think?
I don't care.
What else we got in the box, babe? No, no, don't open that. That's all right. I have one of these open somewhere. But this is the peony rose.
That's all in this box.
Huh?
That's all that's in the box.
Okay. So this is the peony rose. It's the same. Well, manufacturer, of course, but I'm trying to think. The honey blossom that was in a bottle like this. Here I go fighting with the camera again. Same kind of bottle, except for this is peony rose and not the honey blossom. Honey blossom. He even thought that the honeysuckle last year had bloomed and it hadn't bloomed yet. This smells pretty. And actually, when he first smelled this, he said he liked it better than the honey blossom. I like the honey blossom better myself, but I like this too.
Okay.
You like it still better than the honey blossom?
I like them both. I mean, they both smell good.
They do. It smells
They smell awesome.
really fresh. Yeah, it smells really good. So yeah, I use them both, and I still have some I like on hand that I use every now and then for very special occasions. But this is the box that the peony rose comes in. I do have a few of these on hand, so if you're wanting any of these, let me know, or you can order them online. I'll leave a link down below to my store and to the items which are out already out. And a sneak peek at the Campaign 11 book again is because we do have our luxury cleansers coming out. And this is our Campaign 11. This is the next campaign that will be starting. It'll be live on Tuesday online. And then I can order from it starting Wednesday. So let me know if you want that book. We'll get one to you, or you can order online at youravon.com/Tina Tillett. And that's it for now. That's just our quick unboxing that we wanted to do. Yeah, this is something that we got for the representatives got, and now they're offering them for the customers as well. They are $25, and there's. Can you open them for me, honey? But this is the package that comes in. I want to show you that. It's so cute. It's cute for travel. Good to take on the airplane. And it is the two beliefs, well, they're all beliefs. And I am not going to be able to read all there on there either. But you can get this for $25, which is an excellent deal for all of these. And like I said, you can take these on the airplane with you as well. Let's not open that. But you can see the small ones that are in there. And I'll leave a link below. These will be live, but you can't order this through me now if you'd like. So I think that's it. Is that it?
That's it.
That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if there's anything that we can do for you. Let us know if we can get a book to you or products to you. We do have products on hand. I cannot tell you any prices of that live, but you can PM me and ask me certain things that I would have on hand, and I have several. So just PM me and let me know, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye.
Bye.